There once was a girl who named herself
Whimsy. If I was a bird, I'd be free! If I was a duck, I'd be graceful.
And as she focused more and more on her own reflection, the city backdrop disappeared, and she was able to see herself more clearly.
I'm dazzled when my mouse-like teeth form a big, bright smile. I think my dark chocolate eyes are beautiful. I'm in love with my smooth, brown skin. I adore the way my thick, fluffy hair dances whenever I laugh. To be myself will be my greatest adventure. Tomorrow will be even better than today.